StripFlexLED by SIRS. Professional grade. Made in the USA.
At SIRS, we understand what you do not want when it comes to buying LED strips. You do not want to have any burdensome problems. No unnecessary installation expenses to burden you with maintenance costs for years.
SIRS StripFlexLED is designed with reliability in mind. SIRS strips are UL certified. In SIRS LED strips, you'll find the product designed and built in Houston, Texas. A guarantee of quality and the best value for your money.
LED lighting offers a high-quality illumination experience with an exceptionally long lifespan, and we stand behind it.
Our LED strips travel from Houston, Texas to your installations.
Our components are continuously updated. They stay on our shelves for a very short time, as technology should.
Experience the difference.